Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to add a new course onto the CareNurses website. Without much further ado, let's get right into it. First, please ensure that you are logged in as an administrator for this to work. Since already I'm logged in as an admin, we can continue. Let's scroll down to view the courses we already have currently on our website. Now, move the mouse pointer to the top of the page and place it on the CareNurses tab. This will provide a drop-down and from which I need you to click on Dashboard. This will take you onto the Administrator dashboard from which we will select Tutor LMS Pro from the available options on the sidebar. This will provide the side menu from which I need you to click on Courses. Upon clicking, you will be directed to another page containing the list of the available courses currently. Here, select the Add New button, which will take you onto another page in which you will enter the details for the new course. On this page, first we begin by entering the course title. Scroll down to the next section in which the information of the course is added. After that, there is the course categories. Here, we will enter the category to which we want to categorize our new course. Currently, this is the list of categories available, but you can add a new category using the Add New Category option. For now, we will just select a category from the ones already available. So let's go ahead and choose a category for our course. After that, you will scroll down until you reach the Featured Image section. Here we will click on the Set Featured Image option, which will bring us to the page that enables us to add a new featured image either by uploading a file or from the media or just by picking one from instant images. Let's go on to the media library and pick one that is appropriate for our cardiology course. Once you have selected one, click on the Add Image button below the page. The next section is the Course Builder section, in which we will add a new topic. Click the Add New Topic button to do this. You will be provided with this page to which we'll have to enter the topic name and topic summary. After you have filled the details, click on the Add Topic button below the page. Once that is done, you will be able to see the topic you just added. You can choose to add a new lesson, quiz, assignments, or Meet Live session, but for now, we won't get into that. Now, move on to the next section, which is the course settings. In this section, we can set the maximum number of students that can enroll in the course. Choose the difficulty level for the course. It can be on beginner, intermediate, or expert. You can also choose on whether to make the course a public course so that it does not require enrollment to be accessed. And also, you can enable the Q&A for our course. That being done, we can now go on to the next section, that is the video section. In this section, we can upload a video on the intro about the course. The final section is the certificate template section, to which you can select the template for the certificate of completion for this course. These are the available templates for now. Let us choose one for our course. Once that is done, we need to publish the course. Scroll up until you reach the Publish section. Here it is. Now go ahead and click on the Publish button to publish the course. Let us now go back to our site to confirm if the course has been added. Scroll down to the courses section and browse through the courses to find the added course. And that's it. You have successfully added the new course to the CareNurses website. Thank you for watching.